wrote this song after Hurricane Katrina a while ago. Can't believe it's been that long. It's called Summer Rain. 1, 2, 3, 4. She grew up faster than all of her years before, 'cause this disaster took her home in her innocence. This winds a memory of all the summers past, when Mother Nature took a toll with indifference. She used to wait and pray for showers in the sun, lift her head to the clouds, hold out her arms, and stick out her tongue. It'll never be the same. The smell of summer rain reminds her of the calm right before the storm that changed everything. The shelters filled with cots and strangers all lined up. The silence from the shock is much more than deafening. Where will she go from here? There'll be no school this year. Her teenage crush becomes an impossibility. She used to wait and pray for showers in the sun, lift her head to the clouds, hold out her arms, and stick out her tongue. It'll never be the same. The smell of summer rain reminds her of the calm right before the storm that changed everything. And nothing feels so good when you come back home to your own neighborhood. It'll never be the same. Never be the same. It'll never be the same. The smell of summer rain reminds her of the calm right before the storm that changed everything. Rain reminds her of the calm right before the storm that changed everything.
Yeah. Wow. Kelly Fitzgerald, Brian Papier. Wow, that was